Hi, so we're going to be making a Franken Pumpkin animation in PowerPoint. So as you can see here, if you go down, I have all of these slides. There's like 69 slides. Okay, so if I am here and I start it, it is going to create a Frankenstein. So what you need to do is you're going to create said Frankenstein. It is basically copying and pasting. So what happens is that you're going to start with this, and then you're going to right click and you're going to duplicate slide, and then you add the next piece to it. Okay, so there is going to be a printout, and then there's also this online that will tell you each one of them to do. Just make sure you follow the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're in an odd, if you ask me, they're odd. But so like when you get to slide 4, you'll have the same, all you're doing is duplicating this and then adding this. And then you'll duplicate it and move it down. Then you'll duplicate it and add it. So each slide will be something different, but all you have to do is duplicate the slide before it and then change it. It's like stop animation. So go ahead and have fun with it. If you get done, you can go ahead and create your own. And if not, if you have any questions, just ask me or let me know. Thanks.